Building a gaming PC in 2025. What to expect. In 2025, the gaming world is pushing boundaries. Graphics cards are now faster, more efficient, and packed with AI-driven enhancements. Expect ray tracing and 8K support to be the new standard. Motherboards are smarter and more versatile. With PCIe 5.0 slots and DDR5 RAM support, performance reaches a whole new level. Plus, better cooling solutions keep your system stable even during intense sessions. Speaking of cooling, liquid cooling systems are now quieter and more efficient. Custom loops are becoming more accessible, letting gamers achieve both style and performance. Say goodbye to loading screens. NVMe Gen 5 SSDs offer lightning-fast speeds, making games load in seconds. Cases are not just about aesthetics anymore. Improved airflow designs and cable management make building easier and cleaner. Pair it all with a 240Hz or even 360Hz monitor for ultra-smooth gameplay. In 2025, building a gaming PC isn't just about power. It's about speed, efficiency, and an immersive experience. Ready to build your dream PC?